Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Tuesday, April the 14th. Well, let's take a look and see how the markets did today. We'll start with IWM, the Russell 2000 small caps, and you can see here very nice green day. The Turkish lira hit bottom today and recovered a little bit, and that sent the U.S. markets into rally mode. So we had a nice day there. You can see on the intraday how it came up and then just based for the rest of the day. The SPY, we have pretty much the same pattern, looking real good there. The Qs, same thing. We're looking real nice there. The diamonds, we are up yesterday from yesterday's close. We have an inside bar formation, but definitely headed in the right direction. The IBB looking nice. The one thing I will point out, if you look down here, and I'll fly back through them real fast, you'll see that we were on fairly low volume. If you look at those volume bars, you can see how low the volume was. The IWM had almost average volume, but the rest of them were quite low. Quick look at GLD. It's not doing all that well. And TLT, we have that bearish engulfing candle set up there, and of course, this has been in that range, pretty much like everything. So we may pull back to this 20, and it may break through it. So we'll just have to kind of watch and see how that ends up. Now let's get into Holly for the day. Holly Grill, the original Holly, had a profit of 57 cents on 27 trades, and 260 was the risk-on profit. And you can even see on the risk-on histogram there, you can see the volatility throughout the day, but strong finish. Holly 2.0 had 30 trades, $1.19 profit, and only $1.02 risk-on profit. Look at that histogram. I mean, very hard to hold on to any trades through chop like that. And Holly Neo with 37 trades, profit of $1.88, risk-on profit $2.27. Same thing there. You can see here lots of chop in the morning, red in the early afternoon, and then nice recovery late on. So the way it boiled down, we had 94 total trades, 364 profit, 589 was the risk-on profit, and for the week we're sitting at 152 trades, 221 profit, and 589 profit on the risk-on. As you remember, yesterday we were break even on the risk-on mode. So now let's take a look at some of the individual trades, and we had Baby here was the best one in Neo on the regular risk-off profit, and you can see very nice pain-free trade, but had you held on and did an exit with her, you would have only ended up with 15 cents on the day. Best risk-on trade was Boot, and same thing here, 47-cent profit. She got in, it pulled back, and had you re-entered and held to the end of the day, $1.02 profit. And once again, just a reminder, you can look over here and you can see each one of these Hollies. You can see the number of trades she had and what the profit is, and it'll tell you whether it's risk on or risk off. Whatever the best profit number is the one she will show. But we don't recommend you click on here, because if you click on here, you will lose your layout, okay? And hopefully you would have it saved and be able to recover it. But the way you switch when you're in the middle to where you're only switching the Holly is that you right click and then you pick the one you want. So now here's the Holly 2.0, and we'll do risk on first. Her best one was PLNT, and we saw this several times in the past where her actual profit was zero, but then it took off and $1.03 risk on. So that's where we continually talk about man with machine. So don't be afraid to interact with this software. This isn't telling you what to do. It's merely giving you ideas on how to trade a particular stock. And PTLA was a short and 50 cents profit. Timed exit, had you held till the end of the day, you could have made 88 cents. And once again, you can see here we had this big bottoming tail, and it looks like it was just clearing out stops. But had you had your sell down there, your buy, I should say, you could have made a little bit more money. And now Holy Grail, we'll take a quick peek at that. And the best risk on profit was $1.39 on ZUO. And that was a long. Float on was a strategy. She got out for profit save, made 40 cents. But had you held, or bought back in, there was $1.39 to the end of the day. And her best risk off trade was the same one. So, and I'm sorry, there you go. And she actually called this in two different strategies. So that was her best trade there. So that's your Holly recap for today. And what I want to do today is share, how you can get this software, try it out. We do have a standard plan and a premium plan. With the premium plan, you get the Holly and a bunch of other premium features. It is the one I recommend. If you're a little more conservative, start with the standard plan, and you can try it monthly or yearly. You can use Bullseye 15. It is case sensitive, so all caps 15 will save you 15% on your first month or your first year. Here is the link to get that special. I'll go ahead and put that in the YouTube video comments so that you can just check it out and sign up. Hope to see you on board with us, and feel free to follow my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, StockTwits, and remember, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. Maybe leave a comment in the comment section. Maybe share it with some friends. We would appreciate that. And if it's the first time you're seeing this videos, remember, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll never miss one. Hey, I want to thank you for watching today, and God bless.